Welcome to how to get free gifts tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to get free gifts without inviting anyone. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you will need to create an account on Temu. So if you haven't created an account, you can create an account, then click on the U icon and then click on earn credits and free gifts. From here you may have a lot of options, more than I got. Also you can choose any option. I will choose this one, the free items. So from here you can choose any gift you want. As you see, I have already chosen a lot of gifts in the top, so I can't choose any more. I got a limit to the maximum, and that's after you click on get now. You will have the free gifts without inviting anyone. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.